Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can control the total table width using the width property and the height of your table header and table data cells by applying the height property. These values can be set using pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, or em. The table width property can also be expressed in a percentage of the browser window. Our on-screen example shows our table, the border collapse property set to collapse, and the total table width of 50%. We have the table header element, the height set to 50 pixels, and the table data cells set to a height of 25 pixels. So the browser will display our table with a width of 50% of the window. Table header cell has 50 pixel height, and each data cell has 25 pixel height.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.